Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Arteon. This vehicle has done just over 50,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, navigation, Apple CarPlay, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats